Welcome to our step-by-step guide on becoming a Magento developer. Today, we're breaking down the process, from server setup to launching your customized store. Let's get started. Obtaining certification requires comprehensive knowledge of Magento's capabilities. A Magento developer crafts and fine-tunes e-commerce sites. They focus on creating visually appealing and functional online shopping experiences. Security, scalability, and optimum site performance are their top priorities. Why should you consider certification? It offers professional credibility, better career opportunities, recognition in the industry, improved efficiency, and a chance to connect with a network of Magento professionals. Let's look at the 5 steps to becoming a certified Magento developer. Step 1 involves getting familiar with Magento's rich landscape. You should understand Magento 1 and Magento 2, know what Adobe's acquisition means, and the variations between Magento Open Source, Adobe Commerce, and Adobe Commerce Cloud. The second step is to build a strong programming base. A solid grasp of PHP is necessary because Magento is built on it. You should also be well-versed in HTML for web page structuring, CSS for styling, and JavaScript to web pages interactive. In Step 3, you'll delve into the specifics of Magento store development. This begins with understanding the server requirements and goes to choosing suitable hosting. It also includes installing Magento and continuing with themes and settings, customizing your store to reflect your brand's identity, and configuring product pages. Moreover, selecting the right payment and shipping options that cater to your customer base is crucial. After setting up, you go through a thorough review before launching your site. The fourth step is imperative: hands-on practice. Starting with setting up basic stores to understand Magento inside and out, you'll move on to creating custom themes and extensions, which enrich the platform's functionality. Participating in community projects through platforms like GitHub aids in honing your skills and facilitates collaboration. The last step is to earn your Magento certification through Adobe. They offer certifications at the professional, expert, and master levels, assessing diverse aspects of Magento 2, such as installation, configuration, and customization. The exams cover various topics, each tailored to different proficiency levels, from beginner to expert. Achieving a Magento certification, be it at the professional, expert, or master level, showcases your deep understanding and expertise in the platform. Each certification increases your capability to lead projects, mentor others, and contribute significantly to e-commerce solutions. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like. Want more tech insights? Hit subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching.